Hey little artist! Ready to go on a fun ride today? Let's draw a cute little car with a sunny road trip scene. Grab your black marker and let's get started. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. First, draw a long horizontal line at the bottom of the paper. Now, let's draw two big wheels for our car. Nice round circles, 1 and 2. Now connect the wheels with a fun curvy line above. Make a round shape for the car's body. Looks like a cute beetle car. Let's draw two window shapes at the top and a small vertical line in the middle for the car door. Great job! Next to the car, draw a signpost with two arrows, one pointing left and one pointing right.
La da 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 dee.
Where should the car go? At the bottom of the signboard, draw a little rock, some grass, and cute tiny flowers. Aw, adorable! Now, draw a fluffy cloud above the car, and peeking behind it, a bright sun shining. Beautiful weather for a drive. Nice job, everyone! Our drawing is almost complete. Now take your black marker and make the outlines bold and neat. This makes your artwork pop. Looking amazing, friends!
Yay!
Ready for some color fun? Let's use rainbow colors. Here we go. Red color.
Wow! La 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 la.
Orange color.
La 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 la. Beep 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 beep.
Yellow color.
La 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 la. La 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 la.
Green color. Blue color.
La 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 la. La 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 la.
Purple color. Looking amazing, friends! You did an awesome job! Don't forget to smile at your artwork and show it to someone you love. If you had fun, like and subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub for more happy drawing adventures. Bye-bye!
Yay!
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.